Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. Today we are going to learn about perfect tenses. So what are perfect tenses? These are tenses which talk about the action completed right now. For example, present perfect tense, the action which is completed right now. Past perfect tense, the action which was completed yesterday at that particular moment. And future perfect tense means the action that will be completed tomorrow at that particular moment. So guys, it is very important to understand which form of the verb we are going to use in your perfect tense. So we are going to use third verb compulsory, but we will not use third verb directly after the subject. We are going to use have and has and then the third verb. Now when to use have and when to use has. It's very important to understand this. So if my subject begins with I, we, you, they, I use have. And if my subject begins with he, she, it, name of the person, I use has. Now let us take the formula subject plus I, we, you or they plus third verb plus object. Let us take an example. I have eaten my lunch. Negative. I haven't eaten my lunch. Positive question 1. Have I eaten my lunch? Negative question 1. Haven't I eaten my lunch? Positive question 2. When have I eaten my lunch? Negative question 2. Why haven't I eaten my lunch? So guys, please understand and remember the formulas of both the formats, where you can say I, we, you, they as format 1 and he, she, it, name of the person as format 2. So I repeat once again, if the subject begins with I, we, you or they, you will use have plus third verb, and if the subject is he, she, it, name of the person, then has plus third verb. Keep watching guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.